Thank you.
I think that muffles your voice.
Yeah, Mega Mouth Warper.
Who's that over there? Hi, Daddy.
Hi, Kathy.
Has Santa been good to you?
Yes.
He needs to open something. Okay, open something. I'm going to video him opening. Open that big present. Birds in the backyard are having such a good time. They're so glad I have a bird feeder. Some of them are hiding in Bullet's cage. Get out of the snow. Look how sweet they are. I love my birds. Got baby cardinals out here. I got grosbeaks. Some pretty birds. The snow at 3:20 in the afternoon, and it is much deeper than it was this morning.
Because this morning,
blizzard.
the snow, as you can see at my butt, was below the pedal. Now, it's like way above the pedal.
Yes, it is. And our birds are very happy that we feed them.
Only they're sinking.
And the dog's cage is filled with snow.
Because...
And the trash cans are buried.
And it looks like we're going to have an avalanche on that shed.
Yeah, it's pretty bad.
Let's see how the snow's progressing. Kathy and Kyle went out to play in the snow. It's January 7th at 3:47. See if we can zoom in on them. That's Kyle standing between the red Chrysler and the green Jimmy. Where's Kathy at? Oh, Kathy's trying to sweep the snow off the Jimmy. Looks like it's almost up to her knees. Yeah, it looks like it's still snowing. Looks like Kathy and Kyle are still brushing the car off. Although it looks as they're brushing the car, there's...
Unbelievable out there.
Hey Kyle, I'm going to go outside. You ready to go out with me?
Oh gosh, where are you going? There's my doggy trying to get his way through the snow. Look at him. Come on, boy. This is day 2 of the big snowstorm, and as you can see, it is deeper and deeper and deeper.
And higher and higher and higher.
I'm going to go around front, which is unbelievable.
It is like...
Look at the cars.
You cannot
almost
even
3
see,
feet.
You cannot even see our plates, hardly.
No.
Yesterday it was lower. Now it is way, way higher.
I can hardly see anything. The streets haven't even been plowed. Everything's... Look at my car. You can even see the front of my car. The truck hasn't moved yet, but I'm sure we'll be able to get that out. Thank goodness for 4-wheel drive. I'll take a ride today and see all the roads are closed, though. And it's illegal to be on the road unless you're an emergency vehicle. But we'll get away with that because of Ed. So... Until later, see ya. At school today. This is what he's doing. Playing video games. Hi, Bullet.
PlayStation.
And let's see, we'll show you the aquarium. We just redid the aquarium since it looks so pretty.
It's a good color for it.
Mm-hmm. It's purple. And there's my fishies. This is Kyle's new PlayStation.
Right?
He's designing a what?
Theme park.
A theme park. And Bullet doesn't know what to make of the snow, do you, Bullet? Borrowed a snowblower, and he's trying to get himself out so he can go to work. It's just incredible. You can see him better here. Look how deep it is. Here's our neighbor trying to dig out and see how deep it is on him. We were going to go out today, but there's no stores open, nothing. So even though we have the Jimmy, there's nowhere to go. You can't even walk out your front door. I mean, it's just incredible. We haven't seen snow like this, they say, since the 1800s. It's still snowing.
I said no.
I gotta get the shed open.
I opened it already. It's open.
I know, don't want to stubborn.
Oh, my feet are getting soaked.
Some people couldn't stay home, so they walked, and walked, and walked. And what they saw on their way was a
Hi. Today, I'm gonna make an airplane from the airplane book you got me. It's really neat. Alright. This is gonna be the hammerhead. Let me get to the page. There it is. Hi.
Hi.
Yeah, right now I'm cutting it. Alright. So I'm cutting it. There. I know they're around here somewhere. This white book is really neat because it like teaches you how to thread the paper airplanes, and it has it has like all these neat different airplanes. I've made just about all of them. Actually, I have made all of them, but but some of them don't work right, and you have to throw them away. It says make a 2-pointer for the trash bin. Thanks for getting me this. It's really neat because I know that I'm sure you got when I was there a humongous electric computer bill on that computer show. So I was just making airplanes. Well, it didn't really come with exact the instructions were like pretty hard to understand, but when it's in the book, they're easier. It was on the computer, it showed you how to do it, but it did so fast that you had to replay it and replay it and replay it.
You got it?
Yeah, and trying to find line 4 here. Oh, here you go.
Tell them what you got accepted to today while you're doing it.
Today I got accepted to orchestra. I just got a permission slip for the bus.
That's great.
Yeah.
Because you're playing violin so well, huh?
Yeah.
That's great.
And from when we were there at your house, I couldn't play the violin that well, because that's when I was just plucking, I think. Now I'm like almost done the book in bow. So.
Tell them what scales you know.
Well, I learned all 4 of the scales: A, E, G, and D scales.
Wow.
I have to memorize them to be totally accepted in the orchestra. If I don't, then I get 2 more chances. You get 3 chances again. be accepted in orchestra.
All right, you gotta hold on a second. The battery's running low.
A new battery.
Thanks to Aunt Annie and Uncle Steve for getting us the spare battery.
Yes, or we'd have to wait till tomorrow to show you.
So we're back.
Yes, and we're back.
Tell them where we are and what we're doing.
Right now, we are in bed.
Because what do we do every night before we go to bed?
Watch TV.
Where?
In your room.
This is my room, right?
My room is just about half of this size.
Well, we'll video it because I don't think they've seen your new furniture.
Oh, okay.
So we'll do a quick video when you're done.
Okay.
Wow, what a neat plane.
It's not done yet.
I know, it looks cool. Tell them what you had done today.
I got a wart taken off. I was all scared. I thought I was going to get a needle. But he gave me a choice of getting the needle or freezing it and it would burn the wart off. And I bet you know what I took. Freezing.
How many doctors give you a choice, huh? Not
Only
too
him.
many. Only
Not
him,
too
right?
many.
It's because he likes you so much.
Yeah. And he hasn't seen me in a long time. He hasn't seen me since before I had glasses, which was a long time ago.
Almost done?
Almost. Takes a while to make an airplane, especially when they're like not this complicated, but in this case, it just taken a long time. Because it's a pretty, you have to fold a lot to see how much I've done so far.
Wow.
It's gonna turn out neat.
Well, let's see if I can show you Kyle's room while he's finishing that airplane. We bought him this new bedroom set. I'm not sure how well you can see it, but there's baseballs, there are baseball bats, and baseballs on the headboard and the footboard, and it's all one unit. And it has all his space for his drawers and his closet on both sides. And then on this side it has a little cork board for him to hang things. And there's hooks for his hats and lights underneath. A nice big shelf for all his junk. And more junk. And lots of stuff and all his karate trophies. And this, I'll pan over here, is his new stereo he got for Christmas. That's his telescope from Aunt Judy. And on this side of his room, facing towards his bed, is Dad's TV. So that's kind of nice. He has that. He has a nice little shelf there. And we'll go back and see how he's doing. Hi. How are we doing?
Good, just about done.
Okay.
Just have to put the finishing touches on this.
Okay, I'll come back around. This is our kind of cuddle time before we go to bed at night.
Yeah.
I lay in here and study, and Kyle lays in here and watches TV or colors or plays or makes paper airplanes.
Yeah. This is the first time I actually made one.
It's kind of nice that we have our little time together. It's almost 9 o'clock, so it's almost bedtime. And there's our big doggy running around. He has to be nosy and look out the window. He's waiting for Ed to come home.
He does that. That's sort of like his job.
Mm-hmm. He thinks it's his job.
Eh,
You're going to be done before this battery runs out?
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
I'm just about done it.
Okay, good.
And just stuff that in a paper clip.
Add a paper clip. Mommy's messy desk over there. I shouldn't show that. But of course, it's a mess. Always too much work to do.
Here. I know.
Got it? What are you doing on the bed?
He always does that.
Get off my bed. Bullet. Bullet. Hello, pretty boy. Hello, pretty boy. No, get away. Get away, get away. Aunt Annie and Uncle Steve don't want to see your pretty face. We want to watch Kyle. We don't want to see you. No kissing the camera.
Alright. It's done.
Is it done? Okay, you ready? Oh, that's beautiful. That is just gorgeous. And let me get a good close-up. Wow, look at that. Uncle Steve will like that. Woo! Go over there and fly it.
Alright. Well, let's see.
Just throw it from that side and see how good it flies.
Dives. The elevator's up.
Oh, my closet door's open and everything's a mess. Well, they don't care. Hopefully they understand. Wait. Woo! Nice.
I think I might have ripped it.
Oh, that's okay. You did a good job.
Yeah.
Okay, say goodnight to Aunt Annie and Uncle Steve.
Good night.
Woo! Recording now. Hi.
Hi. I think that it
Well,
was
get off
just
there.
blinking index.
What you doing, guys? Boys, what you doing? Is that Kyle? Is that your friend? You love your dog, don't you?
Yeah.
Look how cute you two are. Oh, and he's down because I was talking about him. Okay, hello.
And I'm up.
All right. Bye.
Water.
Yeah? Mom, are you excited?
Yeah.
You look nice.
Yeah.
I miss you.
You can talk Teddy in.
Okay.
This is me finished.
Oh, you look wonderful.
Thanks.
Wait a minute. Okay. You look very nice.
Thanks.
Where you going, Kyle?
Denver.
Visit who?
Not calling my grandma.
Oh, how neat,
You're
huh?
going to have a wonderful time. And what's...
You look like a young executive going on the plane.
Yeah.
All right, I'm going to pack this camera, so we'll say goodbye, okay?
Bye.
And you take nice video.
See you in there? Yeah. Hi. You're on video.